Considering a vacation to RIU Palace Costa Mujeres, then we are here to help. This is a tour of the pools, the beach, and an overview of the complex to help you book a room. We start on the north side of the resort, closest to the Dunamar Resort, which is right next door. You can see the water park right here through the portico. Guests staying at either resort can use the water park. This pool does have a swim-up bar along with long tables and seating in the pool. The pool that's right next to it has an accessible ramp and is very large. The view of the ocean from this pool is absolutely spectacular. The area right up here is the main buffet area and seating. And these rooms up here are ocean view rooms. Down by the pool, there's a large area of shaded seating with shades that you can roll back if you want more of a bit of sun. The sandy area right here is where they have horseshoes and other games during the day. Up here is a large bar area which also offers cappuccinos, regular coffee, and desserts. Below that is the gym, some offices, and the kids area called RIU Land. This is the middle pool on the property called the Tequila Pool, and word is it's heated during colder months. It also has a swim-up bar. The building next to the bar is Pepe's, which offers a poolside food option during the days. They have a nice shaded seated area too. They serve things like burgers, hot dogs, and chili. This pool also has tables and seating in the water, as well as the submerged cement loungers. The volleyball pool is also in this area and offers yet more seating. When they do have volleyball set up, this is where it's at. The stores right here are RIU Art and RIU Fit, along with the spa and the gym and the kids area, which is RIU Land. This store right here is called the Boardwalk, and it's a gift and clothing store. smaller building right here is the restrooms for all of the pool areas. This pool on the south end of the complex is the largest. It offers yet more seating up on the deck as well as more cement loungers in the water. This pool probably offers the best view of the ocean. This area here is the theater, and there are more ocean view rooms above. We'll now take a walk down to the beach. This walkway is between the Mezcal and Tequila pool areas. The concrete ramp leads down to a boarded pathway that leads all the way to the beach. The path down to the beach is flanked by an area filled with shrubs and other plants. There is plenty of seating on the beach, including the white plastic loungers with the adjustable backrests. The beach is cleared of seaweed or sargassum every morning with tractors. Seaweed was not a problem when we were there, but it is a seasonal issue that the resorts deal with the best they can. We're not done yet, but if you've gotten any value from this video, please hit the like button in honor of beautiful resort sunsets. Subscribe to see more tips, tricks, and travel vlogs. This is an overview of the complex to help you decide on a room when booking. The non-ocean view rooms are farthest from the ocean in the complex. The oceanfront building that runs parallel with the ocean contains the restaurants, the main lounge, and other shops. In my opinion, this is really one of the few negative aspects of this resort. Unless you are in a fourth floor room, this building will block your view of the ocean. There are 4 floors in the complex. All the top floor rooms start with a 4 and so on for 3, 2, and 1. Every room on the 4th floor has an ocean view of some kind, some better or closer than others, obviously. We were in room 4126 on the top floor, and this was our view of the ocean over that building. This is the main lobby area on the west side of the complex, and the 24-hour lounge with snack food is right here also. hope this video has been helpful. Check out these other videos for more information on this resort. Be blessed.